Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this 2025 Keystone Cougar 25FKD. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. And we are filming this in July of 2024, so this is an early 2025 model, so things can change as the year progresses. But for right now, this is the 2025, and this is a brand new floor plan, so let's get into it. Starting out with our outdoor entertainment side, we do have a nice large awning out here, and that does extend over your two entryways. You also have an LED strip that goes all the way down that awning. We have some indoor-outdoor speakers so you can listen to your music inside and outside. You have some nice sturdy steps out here. You also do have some grab bars so you can easily get inside of the camper. You do have two air conditionings on this Cougar, so that is a nice plus. And we do have a little bit of storage up here. This is not pass-through storage, it's just this main storage space right here. And it is an okay size, so you can fit some things in here. You also have your inverter prep in here, also a couple of light switches and different items. And you also have another added little storage space over on the back end on the other side. You also have your docking station so you can hook up everything when you get to the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk in, over on my left-hand side, we do have our fridge. This is nice because it is right next to your entryway, so if you're outside hanging out and you want to drink really quick, you can easily just pop in here and grab one. This does open on either side, so you can open it from this side, or like I said, if you're outside and you want to open it from over here just to make it a little bit easier, it does open from there as well. You have plenty of space in there, and you do have some freezer space down below as well. And over on the side, we do have a hook right here, so if you want to put some different things right there, like your jacket, maybe a purse, so you can have it right by your door, that's a great place to put them. Over on the right hand side, we do have our control panel. This is where you're going to control your awnings, your lights, and your slides. You also do have a dimmer switch up here, so if you want the lighting here just a little bit lower, you can easily dim that down. Now let's get into the kitchen. Your kitchen is located in the very front of this Cougar, so let's check it out. Over on this side, we do have our microwave, and down below you have your typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. We do have an oven, and it's a very decent sized oven, so you can definitely make some casseroles and different items in there. You also have a very large drawer under here. It is kind of short this way, so you could put some pots and maybe some smaller pans in there, but you don't have too much room in there, just to note on that. Over here we do have a little bit more cabinet space, so you can put all of your plates and cups in there. On this side, this opens up, giving you more space. This is a great area to put all your different pots and pans in, or if you just have a ton of glasses and different cookware, you can easily fit it up there. Down below, we do have our sink. We have a retractable sink head on it, and they've given you a nice little drying rack. And I know you can see all of that space you have back here. You can put plenty of things there. You even do have a little open space over here for your spices and different items. We have a ton of countertop space. You even do have a little charging station back here. You have a USB and a USB-C port, along with a little electrical outlet. So if you do want to make this a coffee bar, or if you want to throw an air fryer up there, you have plenty of countertop space. We have more storage underneath our sink, a great area to put a trash can or different cleaning supplies. And on the other side of that, you do have even more storage. You have some drawers, perfect to put all of your utensils in. You have a couple more larger drawers underneath, and you have a little drawer over to the side along with that, which is just some storage underneath there, so you can't really put much there. But you have a little bit more in the living area, so let's check it out. In our living room side, we do have this nice dinette. This is a 4-person dinette, and as you can see, I have plenty of room here, so if you want to sit and eat dinner as a family, you have a lot of space for that. This is also great if you have some little kids, because this actually does go down, and this turns into a sleeping space. And I say it's for kids because it is a little bit smaller. I could probably sleep here. I might be a little uncomfy just because it is a little bit shorter, but if you have kids, they'll be able to sleep here pretty easily. We also do have some windows all around, and there are some electrical outlets underneath this. So if you have some kids who need to work on their schoolwork, they can plug in their computer, work away, or if you are a remote worker and you need a little office space, this works for that as well. You do have some storage down here too, so if you want to throw some extra blankets or maybe a couple of board games, this does go all the way back into this, so you have plenty of room under there. Moving on to the other side, we do have our theater seats. These are super comfy and they do recline. You have a little pulley right here, and the feet kick out and you don't have to worry about hitting that window behind you. We also have some lights right here. These actually do light up in their cup holders. And I forgot to mention to you over here, you guys, this does have underlit lighting. It's just a nice little additive in here and it looks really nice, just kind of brightens things up in here a little bit. And I mentioned that because, like I said, these cup holders light up too. You have a couple little buttons right here as well, along with a USB port so you can plug in your phone. We have more windows and you also do have a place to watch TV. So let's switch views and check it out. Right across from our theater seats, we do have our entertainment area. We have this nice size TV and it is on a swivel. So if you want to move it out to see it from your dinette or from your kitchen area, you can easily do that. Down below, you have a nice speaker right here. This is a Furrion speaker, super nice little sound bar. And below that, you do have your fireplace. This works as a heat element, or if you just want to use that as a light setting, it does work for that. And I know you're thinking, we're already done with our living and kitchen area, but where am I going to put all my groceries? I didn't have enough space. You do have plenty of space, but you have even more right behind this. This opens up and you have a massive pantry space, plenty of storage in there for all of your goodies. Or if you're like me and you just have a bunch of junk you need to get out of the way, works for that as well. Now, check out the bathroom. Your bathroom is right in the center of your Cougar and it is really roomy, so you have plenty of room to walk around. Now, let's check it out. Over on my right hand side, we do have all the goodies over here. You have plenty of storage. This is a mirror front medicine cabinet, so you have room for all of your toiletries in there. And over to the left hand side, you do have even more storage for all your extra items. And you could also put some towels up there. Down below that, we do have our sink with plenty of storage space all around it. You also do have an electrical outlet for your shavers and your straightening irons. You have a little bit of storage over to the left-hand side. You can stack up some toilet paper, or you can add some different items to make it a little bit cutesy in here, like maybe a little flower pot or something. Down below our sink, we do have some storage. I would definitely throw a small little trash can under there. And off to the left, we do have our porcelain step to flush toilet, but that's not all. Over on my left hand side, we do have our shower. This is gorgeous, and as you can see, you have plenty of head height in there. You also have a skylight, a detachable shower head, and you have some built-in shelves over on the right hand side, so you can put all your soaps and shampoos. And check out the bottom of this shower, you guys. This is the best part because it is a deep shower, so you can easily stand in there and you don't have to worry about your water going out into your camper floor, because who wants that? Now, check out the private bedroom. In the very back of this Cougar, we do have our private bedroom. In here, you have a king size bed and a lot of storage space. Right behind me, we do have some overhead storage. You have plenty of light and you have a couple of windows. You also do have electrical outlets and USB and USB-C ports. So if you need to plug in your phone before bed, you can easily do that. You also have your very own entryway to get in here. We saw it on the outside, but that's what it looks like from the inside. So if you're outside and you just want to get into your room pretty quickly, you can easily do that. And you have plenty of closet space. Right across from our bed, we do have our mirror front closet. This opens up and you have a ton of room in here. You have a place to set your bags and your shoes. You also do have a nice hanging bar, and you have plenty of drawers underneath. You have an open side over here, 2 drawers up top and 2 drawers down below for all of your pajamas, pants, and socks. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call, a text, or visit us online at CookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.